Hey guys, it's Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be recreating a makeup look. I'm doing Sunmi's makeup from her new music video Go or Stop. So if you're interested in getting that look, stay tuned. So I've already put on an eyeshadow base and my brows. I'm just gonna go in with a big fluffy blending brush and put on a transition shade right into the crease. On a slightly smaller blending brush, I'm going to go in with a darker brown shade just to deepen up the crease. I'm going to go in with an itty bitty little blending brush and smoke out my bottom lash line. Now I'm going to take a teeny tiny little brush and put on my highlight. I'm using a pink blush actually as the highlight color on my lid. And then I'm going to go in with a little champagne color for the bottom. Moving on to eyeliner, I'm going to go in with a gel liner and I'm going to tightline my top waterline, and I'm also going to thicken the outer 1/3 just because I'm going to be wearing falsies, so I want to hide the lash band. So I'm just going to quickly pop on some lashes and I'll be right back to complete the rest of the face. For the last little touch to the eyes, I'm going to put a gem right in the middle on the bottom lash line. For under eyes, I'm going to be going in with just a color corrector, and I'm just going to color correct my dark circles in just the darkest area. Next, I'm going to go in with foundation and just cover my whole face. Next, I'm going to go in with blush, and I'm going to be placing it right in the center of my face, pretty much right below my eye. Now I'm gonna do lippy. I don't have something quite as light as hers, but I'm gonna do the lightest color that I have. Finally, I'm just going to set my face with setting spray. So this is the finished look. So that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below what you think of my look, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!